and welcome back. I just want to start by saying I want to be a bit quiet today. You can probably tell by my voice, but yeah, I just have housemates probably trying to sleep. But anyway, yeah, let's see, just making sure we're set up. Okay. So Asian sessions just opened for the start of the week here. I want to do my little analysis first to see what's good. Just gonna do this all on the fly. Take a second one here. I hope you can hear me. Even if I am talking to myself. But yeah. Tac. What am I even doing? VWAP. Oops. Let's close. It's gonna be a longer video, I'm guessing. I'm gonna try catch a few trades. Take the two of them. They should be alright. Okay. Actually, start with this one. Yeah, I really hope you can hear me. Don't want to be way too quiet after boosting my sounds a good bit. Cheers. All right. Okay. Let's get this sorted. Remove all the drawings from previous. So we're on a bit of an uptrend right now. I guess I could draw a couple lines. Let's see. Horizontal, low, high. Let's go 1 hour. Let's do this high. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll do the weekly low. Oops. Last week's low. It's the weekly high there. Let's go 15 minute. Okay. Look, that still a fair value gap. Gonna keep this. Geez, I really hope I'm not too quiet here. Get that low. Could use that. Steel. Okay. So I'm not the best at trading view, I'm not gonna lie. How do I make that box? I always see people do. Sorry about this. I might try edit this video. Maybe that could be it. Let's see. So we have a fair value gap. Yeah, we'll just do that. Fair value gap here. Oh God. Okay. So what are we looking at? 15-minute chart, a lot of accumulation, uptrend. We're in a, there was a deep pullback. Down, swept the last level. And now it could be trending upwards. The market's just started for this week, so we'll just wait and see. I might do, let's see, we're Thursday, Friday. Supposed to be the highs and low. Yeah, I think I have enough lines drawn, to be honest. Around here. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I did the box on a smaller time frame. I suppose I could use this. Then it would be here. Whatever. So yeah, we could be looking for shorts. First off the bat. Yeah, I wanted to check in here. It's the only other time it's been up this high. Where's this thing gone? Rectangle. So there was, I guess you could call that one no pro yet, but then here it's covered here and here. These overlap. So I'll just take this to this. Pull it out. Okay, yeah, we could be looking quite bullish again. Although it has to break the resistance. Could take the high and then we could be looking for shorts so far. But yeah, bullish on the 4 hour in my humble opinion. Consolidating, bullish, could be consolidating right here. It's a little bullish there for a moment, but I want to draw I guess I'll draw a GAN box here, or do one here. I know this is a mess, but like, that's just how I do things. Kind of bullish on the Fib MACD oscillator. Anything else I want to check? This price is just tapping the 50% from the high in the sweep. So yeah, it's a bit of a coin flip, I think. Unless there's a short right here, right now. It's kind of slowly pushing up. I guess there's no reason to take any trade right now. Yeah, not much much volume or anything like that. It never really is at this time. Sweep. Could retrace up here before going bearish, or I could retrace here, but I think it's a bit too early. It's only half an hour into the session. Okay. Not gonna lie. Anyway, I'll check the news real quick. As to what's just happened. Obviously, it was quite bullish in the market for gold last week. So now, this week, 1:30 p.m. Empire State Manufacturing Index. And then Tuesday. Okay. So we could just be playing a bit of a dangerous game today. That's all right. No risk, no Ferrari. Yeah. Another retrace here. Double top. Did it sweep slightly? We're in this zone, which was in the 4 hour. This whole bearish, right? Did break through it the other day, yesterday. Imbalance, yeah, I'd say it could be accumulating a lot in this zone. And given that it was just broken, just up to the 0.5, yeah, I'd say we could be playing around in this box for a while. Unless there's any stronger moves, but yeah, let's get this up to, yeah, I have the free version right now. Okay, it's a VWAP's tiny right now, as expected, really. Okay, just a little hard to see. I will not lie to you. Let's tap that. We could be looking for a bearish continuation right now. Okay. Mid zone. Tiniest of sweeps. What's CVD saying? So slightly up and trending down. So go back to the 1 minute here. I think I might just make things worse for myself here, but fuck it. Just wanna get the last couple sessions, maybe 3 sessions. Okay. Helvete. Okay. It's the highs and lows of Friday right there. We're currently in no man's land. Other than this big 4 hour. Okay. Okay. Yeah, kind of not too sure what to think about all this right now, but just go see what's good. How much is it moving? 08 to 04. Something to work with. And yeah, we're back on. So we have the new account going right now, the 10k Stellar Light account. I might just check what I have to aim for here. So 8% profit target and then a 4%. That's not too bad. Max loss limit 8%. Max daily limit 4%. Can trade on news up to 95% reward, but start on 80. Max days have already hit. It's 5 days. First withdrawal after 21. Yikes. Fuck it. I'd like to pass the phase anyway first. Yeah, pretty dead, not gonna lie. I'll definitely probably edit this forward a good bit. Just until something starts happening. But I'll leave it run for now. This could be the bearish continuation. But yeah, I might as well just really quick check the MT5 layout first. So yeah, pretty bullish on the 4 hour. 1 hour, bit neutral, seems to be ranging. 30 minutes, definitely consolidating right now. 15 minutes, consolidating. 5, slight drift up. 1, just pure consolidation. It's not really happening right now. The smallest indications of that bearish continuation from the fair value gap, but it's probably just going to fill it first, fill it fully, so that would be no, it's kind of filled it already. Maybe the slightest bit here, it's already been covered. So yeah, I could see this go bearish right now. I haven't actually thought too much about my lot sizes here. On this new account, I know 0.024 is 69% margin, which you're technically allowed to use. Yeah, I could see this go bearish right now. Like, but knowing how slow the first session is at the start, typically, could be a while before any move actually starts happening. I would consider scalping this, but so tiny bit of a fair value gap here. Might fill first. or it might just slide through. Who knows? Oh, would you look at that? Right when I seen it. Who knows? Nothing might really happen right now, but da, da, da. Good thing I didn't get in. Oh. So, just looking at the candles, there was a bit of a micro sweep here. Let me just to confirm bias. Yeah, same high here. It's the same. Another few signs here that's about to go bearish, but I don't know, should I even get in for this? I suppose I will, with the absolute minimum. Select. Okay. And we'll just see. Yeah, if it goes above 4307, we'll just close it. I might run to the jacks real quick. But yeah, I'll be checking on my phone just in case. Just need to check something first. Sorry, I hope you didn't hear that. Right. Let me check. Bullish. Yeah. Yeah, no, I think we're okay with this right now. Let's see, can I make a line here and delete it? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, give me another couple minutes. Jeez, I really hope this all isn't too loud or too quiet. But yeah, so what we need to make 8%, and we're up nearly 0.8, so we're a tenth of the way to passing the first phase. Yeah, not too bad. Just closing tabs here. Actually, in the Discord, I might check. Oh shit. It's going in my favor. Even though I put an absolute tiny amount. But I don't even think I'm gonna scalp this, to be honest. I'll just be sitting and waiting, and it will scale in if it comes to it. Let's see. What we got up here? Yeah, if it starts falling off a cliff, I'll scale in, but it's pushing. But yeah, like I think this could be the start of the move until like 4200 really, so that would be a big drop. I don't think it'll happen all too fast. I'm just gonna see what the guys are saying. So. I should be watching how this is moving. Big candles, wick. It's not pushing too aggressively, but it's probably the biggest move so far. Bar maybe here. But yeah. And let's see if it rebounds. And if it doesn't break this line, then I'll probably start scaling in. Or I should be just oh, I think this is really trying to push down. Right now, just looking at it. Attempted twice. Third time, it's breaking it. It's not a crazy amount of volume. Yeah, I just think this is the reversal here. Major zones of liquidity around 4270. I think anyway. Sweep could be. And the next one around 4200. So I think it could just be bearish for this whole session. Maybe not the whole session, but at 2 specific points. Good thing I did scale there. Let's see what it does. And it's breaking my line. I think I'll still hold here as the get out zone. This could be a fake out, or this could be a fake out. It's hard to know. We'll check CVD again. Quite bullish, to be honest. Did hit the zone, the buy zone here. Yeah, do you know, I might just be scalping for a good while until there's a big break. Yeah, I would exit. I would have exited already, but I don't know. I don't want to somehow get too many violations with or too many break-even trades that might violate my my trading. So I'll just take the little hit. It's only a couple euro. I know they add up, but this is just how I trade, not gonna lie. Come on, my son. If it just fills this pretty well, it might just bounce back up. But so we can go on higher high. What even is this candle? Doesn't even look like a doji. It's not in there. Doesn't really say happen. Okay, yeah, but let's see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. yeah, it might break through this resistance. So yeah, I should really be scalping this just until it decides whether it wants to go bullish or bearish. I suppose it did accumulate a good bit of the upper liquidity. It's filled that gap. Yeah, I don't know, it's just a bit slow. I mean, it's not slow as the very start, but bullish, sweep liquidity, pause, another sweep on liquidity, pause, another sweep on liquidity. So yeah, I think it could really be quite bullish right now, up until goodbye. Up until this box, really. Or maybe up here, actually. For 330s. It could be a bit of an accumulation where scalping is quite a good idea, and then big fall off the cliff. I don't know. Did I go over the news much? I guess I didn't really explain last week's news. Okay, let's look at it. So, actual was the same as expected here. You can see I didn't watch these. We'll just go off stats. No forecast on this. That's weird. No forecast here. Better than forecast. Good for currency, so gold goes down tiny bit. Don't know what Trump said, to be honest. I should have done my research, but I'm a lot more technical at this point. PPI, CPI was the same. PPI actual, so it's worse. So currency bad, gold slightly up. It's pretty neutral overall. I suppose Trump's speech and these ones with no stats may have had more of an impact. Actual greater than forecast, so currency bad, gold up. Same. What even is this? Let's see. Let's go Australian dollars. Actual greater than forecast. Currency. So AUD bad. USD up. So gold down. In a sense. I don't really know, does it work like that? Pretty neutral, honestly. Unemployment claims more than expected. So bad for currency. Gold goes up. That's probably the biggest move there. 1:30 Thursday. Does that line up with Eton in particular? 1:30 here. Yeah. Went on a nice old bull run there. For 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, Trump spoke again Friday, 1:15 a.m. So what that mean? Friday 15, slightly bullish, and then big sell off. I think it was already quite bullish. Jeez, I forgot to check what was happening, not gonna lie. Okay, yeah, decent liquidity sweep going on right now, which is good. I think I'm gonna run to the jacks now and see what's happening. I'll just keep tabs that it hasn't broken. We still have the bearish idea in place right now, but no scaling. I'm up €5, but or $5. If I'd have scaled, even if I used 0.12, that'd be up 60 quid, which would be not too shabby. But I didn't want to start off hectic. I kind of wanted to read the market first, a good bit, just because I said in my first video, the more I watch the market, the kind of better my results are. So even though this is Friday, slightly bearish, slightly bullish, bit of a liquidity sweep. Yeah, I guess I just kind of gotta watch the market for a bit more confidence, but yeah, for now, first trade is playing out somewhat well, kind of predicted, I suppose, but yeah, this is actually, you know what, given that we did have the bullish idea up to 4,330, I might actually close this right now and switch to a buy. Bearish, all bounce backs. What's CVD saying? Bearish. Nah, I'm gonna stick with the bearish idea for now and come back in a couple minutes. So let me just see, getting the run of OBS, but no, I pause. I actually don't know. I'll just mute it for now and yeah, just leave it run. I'll be speeding up a lot of this probably. I need to get going on editing skills at this stage. So yeah, see you in a couple. All right, we're back. So yeah, I was looking at this just when I was away, but here there's a double high and a sweep. Yeah, this is on the 1 minute, but whatever. And then it broke structure to the downside here. You know, retraced a little bit, broke structure again, retraced another bit, broke structure again, retraced, broke structure, and now we're coming up to 4,300. So I think I'm gonna scalp for a little bit unless it clean breaks through here on the next move down. But I'll probably just be scalping between 4,305 and 4,300 just right now. Just seems to be a decent area. 05, 06 here. And so yeah, it's kind of, I think we might be on the bullish or the bearish continuation from this and from this. Yeah, I think it might fake out to around, yeah, I could see it go up to 4,330. But yeah, we'll probably just do a bit of, not gonna lie, I'm closing this. Oh wow, that was quick. Fair enough. Although this has just retraced perfectly into this fair value gap. So yeah, I'm gonna regret that. But look, I don't think it's gonna break through 4,300 right now. I'll actually place a buy next time it touches it. Order, I'll still do the 0.01. For 0.24 is my max. I might do this instead. See what we made, fucking £2 there. 250. No, how the sun shines. Yeah. Let's see, does it break? I feel like after, yeah, I'll go up 0.02 right now. I think it's going to consolidate a little bit in this range before continuing down or fake out up and then back down. So we'll just try to safely scalp this. They're telling me to slow down. Let's see how it acts. Acts here. Just kind of watch it right now. See how it's moving. Try to be aware of what's going on, but it's close enough to time for a deep retracement. A couple hours into Asian session, so it's kind of might have kicked off a little bit. I suppose the next sell zone, if it goes up, probably just around 4,305. Let's see, sweep candles. Slight bearish trend here after the bullish. Could be slowly coming back up to break through and then big deep retracement. But too early to call, really. That should be. Let's see if the liquidity sweep and algo is still active right now, if the algo is even active. Hang on, I'll check the CVD. Okay. Next one here. Chart trade. Let's see. I'll get ready to hit the sell. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Be compressing really quick. Smaller zone. Don't think it needs too much liquidity to break this. Or too much strength. A bit like it seems like a bit of a grind, unless there's an aggressive sweep. But it's certainly grinding away right now. Don't know if I'm right. Wake me up at night. Fine. We got in for a sell here. Where did I get in exactly? Just under 4305. If I get to there, if it goes above here. If it goes above. Could be just sweeping this though. Don't know if I'm right. this is a fake out right now. Just judging off these candles have played out, which means it could go up a lot more. So kind of evaluating where to get out if it does start showing more aggression. 06, I just call it 07. Seven's here. Might need to fill that first. Yeah. Say if it goes to 07, we'll just get out. And oh shit. Fuck. I need to get used to that. Fuck. Yeah, the last account I was using, when I clicked that flipping button, it would pop open this window. So yeah, just beginner mistakes, I suppose. That's fine. Probably got out a little early for the. It did hit the 07, yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Since it was grinding, this could be the move up to this could be the start of the move up to 330s. So I don't want to get caught in like a pump. Oh, look at that. That's just the perfect perfect crossover there to get in short. I'll be raging now. One step forward, 2 steps back. This could really be the reversal zone. Up to 08. Liquidity swept. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in. Damn. Look at that. If it reverses now, I'm gonna get in for a sell. It's not a bad lineup on Fibonacci and VWAP as well. Yeah, wow. Although bouncing off 4,300, it's a big zone. I suppose that's a reasonable bounce. I'm gonna stick with it. Let's see. Is this just going to be a pullback or a reversal now? But yeah, the goal here right now is to hit this roughly around 4301. 430143. Let's see what it does. It's actually playing out quite precise right now. A better entry than before. It's there. This candle and now this one. I could really start bouncing. I should really watch the price here. Watch it unfold. I suppose it makes sense it would retrace here. 1 minute fair value gap. Anywhere here might, yeah, probably make a second top. But we'll just try to be a bit more patient with it anyway. I think I might take partials 04 and 03. If it hits 04, take partials, wait for a retrace up to this zone again, and then short. To take partials or to just take the full close. Predictable? Question mark. Or is that just a golden zone retracement from this fair value gap? So now it could be zoning between 4303 and 4307. A lot of possibilities. really interested to see what it wants to do right now. We're nearly 2 hours into the session, could see a sweep. But the only thing, which direction does it want to sweep first? I think it wants to go down. Seems to be really fighting the 0.5 zone here. Trying to trace. I think I should take this as an exit around here. Yeah, it's at it in my range between here and here, so I took profit there at 4304. So what, so far we're up about 540. Not a bad start. Obviously when I'm a bit more confident I'll be using bigger positions and the gains will be a lot better to see. But this is probably my first yeah, I suppose this is my first session where I'm actually showing my trades. Yeah. Let's see what it does, but if it gets down around here, depending on how it's acting, I'll either buy in or not trade. Because I'm planning on scalping this zone for a while, until something happens. But if it breaks through to, let's say, 98, I'll just close the position. Yeah, pretty much. Someone pass me by, but I'm still standing outside. Wool over my eyes when you go in. Drown on my potion smoking. Okay. Bouncing up. This could be the move higher right now. Could be trending up right now. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe a sweep later then. Well, it should be nice if it went back up to yeah, to 30. 22 to 30. Just because I have some personal buys on my personal account. That would help you get out of a few of those positions. And if there's a sweep, then yup. Actually, I'd get out of nearly all of them. The joys of grid trading on your personal. I'll just say right here, because it could be trend continuation or near the reversal zone. I don't really want to get in because it's touched it once. Like I was, I don't know, I'm nearly flipping a coin based on which way it's gonna go right now, so I'll just leave that. Leave it play out whichever way. If I was getting in bullish, I'd get in here. Bearish, I would have gotten in there. It did retap that zone that I was talking about. So yeah, it would be hard to kind of break through. It does seem kind of aggressively. Oh yeah. Broke through it. Ooh, I think this is a great short position, actually. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Maybe not. Yeah, I think it's trending upwards right now. Once we get into that 420 to 430 zone, the bias is going to shift a lot to bearish again. And again, second. Let's see what happens. I think right now, just while we're waiting for it to play out, I'm gonna throw on a I made some satay. Just gonna microwave a bit, I'd say. Let's see, making a bit of a fair value gap here. If it holds for the next 3 minutes, we'll see what it does, but wouldn't be terrible to short here, but let's see the zones. Damn. Low key tempting me to short right now. Yeah, gonna short here. Bang. And then shoot for 08. Where do we invalidate this? I suppose it's a little high. 15. Or did I say 08? Yeah, if it goes to 08, I'll close. But give give it a little bit of time. I'm gonna throw something on the in the micro iron right now. Oh. Oh, get out. Bang. It's close enough. I mean, it was at, where did I close it? 008.7, but just from that candle, I didn't want to wait too much. Right, I'm gonna throw something in the microwave and get back then. Actually, I just thought about it there for a second when I stepped away, but sorry, I think I smell gas or something. Yeah, since it hit that, wow, it actually hit it perfectly. Look at that. And I didn't even accurately draw it, but since it hit that, and that was kind of my zone to sell at, I should have switched to a buy and aimed for there again, or I suppose up here. With time, that'll come, that ability, but also kind of low key falls into the over trading. Yeah, that zone I drew at the top, this one, it's not super accurate, not as good as this one, but we'll just run with it for now. See what's good. But yeah, I'm still I didn't even put it in the microwave, just trying some dishes. And yeah. All right, I have it in the microwave there. I just lowered my microphone because not gonna lie, you can probably hear it. But I just want to run quickly through what just happened from what I've seen. So from what I saw anyway, if I go from the swing high here to the low, that's on the 1 minute, you retrace just past the golden fib zone. Well, I suppose it's probably in the golden fib zone. And then continued bearish, swept the resistance line here. Now it's bouncing back off. So if you were really elite, I'd imagine you could have scalped that, even half of those moves. But I want to take it a bit handy. Like it's kind of double topped here. So at this point, I wouldn't really bet on it going up or down right now. So that's fine. I'm just gonna mute my mic there again because I'm not sure if you can hear me, and I don't know if my microphone's still picking up the microwave. Alright, we're back again. Sorry, I was just in the mic volume. I hope that's not too loud. Maybe that's a bit better. Small bit better, but yeah. So yeah, the trend upwards seems to be playing out anyway. To come back into the zone, I was on a bit earlier. Up around here. I think I should extend that box. Yeah. So okay, must have been over here. Oh god. Right. I draw so many boxes. That's the problem. Not ideal, not gonna lie. Just fucking use this one. So here to here. Oh, that just looks awful. I don't know, I need to work on this a bit. But let's see, it's let's just broke that. I'm gonna short here, not gonna lie. Oof. Bit late to that. But I'll probably hold till here. Although there. Oh, I'm not really getting any of this move. I should have taken a bit further. Wait, was that? It was a 0.01 lot. 0.01. Ah, feck. I would have made way more on this one. Sure, look, it's grand. Yeah, if it breaks it again here, well, it hasn't really unbroken. Jeez, I keep forgetting to eat. This is a really bad position. Yeah, should have gotten out. Whatever. You live and you learn. Okay, back to eating. I should probably mute myself while I'm doing this. been heavily contemplating putting a buy in just in the last 15 seconds, just for the trend continuation. Yeah, 100%. 100%. I'm gonna do it here. Now I'm going crazy. I think, yeah, it's gonna bounce off this. Let me get this line out properly so I know. Sorry, I'm back now. Yeah, I was just eating. Yeah, so I drew a few more lines, not gonna lie. One was like, so I noticed if you were ICT trading, there was a break of structure, then a retest, and then a strong continuation. This is the first take profit if it was like real early you wanted to get in. A lot of people probably took. And then this was the support zone from here, which is a new resistance right here. That seems to be where it's turning. It's probably here, to be honest. Fair value gap was made. But yeah, honestly, from here, I would be very bearish. Like, I think I should have shorted this. I was just wondering where else it would go. I won't get in now, to be honest. Just to see, is it just going to pull back and continue? But this is in the zone now where I said like between 4.320 and 4.330. Then I'd be like big time bearish. Just because that's the reversal from, I know it's going to be hard to make out for you, but there was a big sweep there. I must have done this on the 15-minute. Let me adjust for now to the 1. Swing high to low. So it's deep into retracement. There's a fair value gap here. Yeah, I'd be surprised if it gets above 4.330, but right now, tap that resistance. I'd say it could bounce here. How much do I trust this zone again? Mid. Not super strong, but I'm gonna place a buy here anyway. Because this could be just a continuation upwards. But if it breaks, I think it's still gonna bounce. Exactly 417. 4.317. I'll just move this yoke. Say about there. Seems reasonable. Okay. We're up £5 on the personal account, which is nice. Already low key. Messed it up a little bit. I think I went up like 20 quid. Hang on, let me check. My personal account. €1, €9, €16. 19. So it's up 19, lost 10, or lost 11. So it's up 8. Then I won 14, so I was up 22, and then I lost 38. And when I lost the 38, I blew my funded account, my first challenge account. Yeah, this looks like it'll go up, but I don't know. I don't know right now. Could be a trend continuation. It's not bad. It's definitely trending upwards right now. Obviously. Nice job, Sherlock. But yeah, just watching how this was acting, it does seem like it's in a perfect world slowing down, and it's going to accelerate upward again. We'll see how it plays out. Nothing running, just good. What are we at? 88. So we're up. What are we up? Break even, 11, 8, 10. The hell? Oh yeah. I want to say 8 or 10, probably 10. Yeah, or could double tap. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to get in a small amount here. Although could be just a sweep, quick deep retracement. CVD saying neutral during all this. Interesting. Down. Normal. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in here. Bang. Nice. Alright, and let's see if it breaks. If it closes above 4325, then I'll cancel it, but I will still be quite bearish. I'll look for another entry. I suppose this is quite a small amount. I suppose it could go all the way up to 40. It's just because of the CVD divergence here. It was just too bullish. It seemed like the algo was playing a little bit into that. So there could be a bit of a fake out and then a sweep. It's kind of in our zone. So retracement zone. This could have gone to 15. It went higher. 15 minute. Hard to read this now, I won't lie. 21. It broke that liquidity sweep. Yeah, if it doesn't make a double top or fall off, I'll just simply invalidate it for now, because it does look like there's a fair value gap all here up to 8 or up to 340. So yeah, let's see what's good. Might have to exit here. What did I say? If it closes above this, where's my watch? I don't have it. Okay, it hasn't closed yet. Well, that one closed. This one, I have a full minute now to just get absolutely obliterated. Let's see what time frames working right now. 2 steady climb. This traced. Oh god. Seems reasonable. I might just blow the roof off this. The higher up it gets, the more bearish we're getting. I don't think it's going to make a daily high anytime soon. Drive time. Let's see. It's a Friday. Just a Friday. Oh yeah, this one. So London starts here. What price is it at? 24. Okay. So that's Asia high from Friday. Asia low from Friday. What is this line? Oh, the view app. So then that also is the low for London. Then the high seems to be here. Okay. Can I change colors? Oh, I'd already drawn it. Just delete one. Actually, oh, fuck it. Settings. Can you even change the color? Oh yeah. Go red, I guess. Did not happen. What the fuck? Sorry, I should be showing you what's going on. It's just sitting there right now. Double top forming, sweep, kind of golden. What is this? Text, huh? That's annoying. Somebody so close. You're the part of me that I just can't seem to erase. Oh, look how bearish we are right now. Memory. Hold your breath all night. I sang 1,000 lullabies. I have to say, I'm so bearish right now. I think this will get filled another time. I think this is the top. Oh, what will I do? Being without you. Oh, what will I do? Being without you. Gotta learn how to live without you. I will stay behind with all our memories. Like even on the 1 minute here, there's just no like liquidity sweep for about 2 hours. So the double top here is a nice indicator. It's slightly higher, ever so slightly, but that's on the 1 minute. The 5 minute, like, you know, there's no real retracement. 15 minute, it's right in the upper Bollinger Band. And RSI, stochastic RSI, my lines have gone. That sucks. It's meant to be 80. 80 and 20. Jeez. The way it's just been riding it the whole way. Who knows? Is it going to sweep liquidity before going down? Quite possibly. I think I should exit. Because it didn't close where I said I'd invalidate it, so I suppose we're still happy to stay in. I don't know, did I explain clearly why I got in there? But what was it? It was really good retracement on this. So I think there'll be a pullback. There's a lot of fair value gaps here and here, so I do think there should be a reversal. There is a big fair value gap here. I think it doesn't have the strength. Okay, delete that line. Like, I'm just not convinced. I think this is the fake out. This whole move based off the CVD and so many other things. Like, you know, the retracement, it's hit the retracement. Here, it's past it a bit. So I think it's an ideal position to have cells in. Oh, it's climbing. Still no close above 4325. Triple topped though, I think it will. Just because of the big zone. Like, how do can I just edit this box? Or sends lines. And get rid of these. Did I get rid of them? Yes, it did. So this whole box, I could imagine being filled. Let's see, we'll see. I think if it does go up that high, I think that would definitely give reason for a lot bigger of a position size. I don't know. Right now it's kind of showing two things. One that, like, you know, these pullbacks are going to continue higher, but they're not. And the other is that, like, you know, it's slowing down. You know, it went on a run. I think it's going to break through 4325. Maybe wait a little bit and then crash. Or it'll just straight peek through and then dump. So yeah, I think if it closes above any of these lines, that one, this one, I know it's super hard to see. Yeah, this is more just commentary to keep my head with it. Like the way it's just grinding away at that, it's gonna open the door. It's my drawdown again on this account. 400 daily drawdown. I mean, I really shouldn't be sweating it right now. Only down like, what, 8, 9 quid at the most. Have another. Oh, I have 5 quid up today. Is that right? No. What? I'm 159 up. What the hell? I think, oh man, forget how this plays out. I'll pull back, sideways dump. CPD acting. Hecka bullish. How he's playing. I'm gonna hold based on these. It's the slope. Oh, that's the slope. Bit of this, and then down. Damn. I know it's super hard to see, but 75 is like here, isn't it? 32. I probably should be scalping this bit. Down a bit, up again, up, across, down. Did it slightly go up? Yeah, I think we're in this stage. I might just belt up. Then retrace. Sweep the liquidity. Well, it wasn't even, it just went on a bull run. I think we're right. I don't know. I don't think I should be scaling in right now. I think I should wait for a... Just watch this, see how it's acting. There's pretty much no wicks. Seems to be grinding down. Oops. I think I should probably exit this. Wait for it to go up and come back down. Will I do that though? Probably not. I think if it bounces back, I might just put in a pretty big sell on my main account. My personal. Just because I'd have more conviction. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's gonna bounce back up to swap. I'm like 95% convinced right now to just... Honestly, I'm buying. Is that a bold move? Potentially. I think it's gonna go back up. At least make near equal highs. Then we can short again. It's not exactly strong though. Still a good bit of pressure going down. Bit of relief there. Higher wicks though. CVD, what are you telling me? Little by little, I'm getting more bearish again. What's Fib and VWAP saying? Bearish. Look at this. Uh-oh. Big wicks. Very big wicks. Oh, it's just can't zoom in. It's so annoying on this. They're bigger candles. Tell me CVD. Yeah, I need to close this position and go short again. Oh god. Oh god. I need to close that. We're switching bearish now again. Honestly, like, still small positions. If I was all in, I could go 12 times bigger, which would be mad. Potential gains there would be huge. Broke that line. It is moving surprisingly well for December. Like at this time as well. What are we feeling, gang? Very weak. I suppose this does make more sense again. At least we've a better position. Oh, we made a few quid here. We're up to 90 now. So that's 12 quid up. It goes back up here though. 23, 26, 4, 8. Overall, it would still be green, so that's nice. But yeah, still quite bearish. I think there's a lot to be made. I think part of why I trade so much, you know, scalping all these small numbers is so when like the bigger move comes in. Like obviously there was an ICT move there I could have taken and that would have hit first TP. 5 minutes for this. So we had a displacements. Even here, break a structure. Another one here. So you could have entered here. Could have entered here. Would have gone up to. Well, actually, we already. First on 22. Yeah. Yeah, you would have hit the first profit there, but I don't know. You know what, this could still be playing out. It's just from the way it's moving, I think it's after switching. So like if you didn't take profit there as an ICT trader, yeah, you'd be out. I'm just seeing no sweeps today. Doing way too good. Not that shit on my ass. Go on, grant me the liquidity sweep. Doing way too good. Look around and not that shit on my ex. Alright, while we're waiting, let me try figure out where where this should go, because it swept that liquidity. I really doubt it's going all the way up there. So it was trending, took liquidity here. So sweep, where that open down here. I think it would sweep this. Wow, that's a big drop. What's the likelihood then? This is obviously closer. Yeah, man. Maybe it's bullish right now. I won't lie. I won't lie. If it breaks 26, I'm gonna close it. Oh, I really need to run to the jacks. Might have to close this in the bathroom, but yeah, I'm just gonna run off there real quick. Yeah. Does look like it. Let me just check CVD real quick. No, I think it's retesting the top. Sweeping it. Okay, closed. Didn't close in 5 minutes for some reason. I suppose it fills fair value gaps and reverses some order blocks. Just sweep. Could be going up to 32 right now. Broke through. Really hope the voice isn't too bad. I think it's gonna go up now. Oh god. Honestly, on a bit of a pullback. It's nearly at the 30 again. Put all that bad news behind me. I don't wanna hear any fighting. Rogue structure to the upside. I'd buy in again if it hits here. And I'd sell again if it hits here. Break structure to the upside. Retest. Up. Let's look at a 30-minute chart here. Wow. That's different. So what's the tricky part? Is it a trend continuation or a reversal? Reversal liquidity sweep. Oh, disgusting. Better to stay out of it right now. It is in the golden zone, for sure. And this does look like it's fading. Brook structure to the upside. Fair value gap. Well, not really, but oh man, I'll be kicking and screaming. I'm not gonna get back in though. Not until there's confirmation. Oh wait, I swear I was meant to buy back in. I think I'm buying here, low key. Targeting this. It is a big jump, but what the helly? What the helly? If it breaks past this, I'm invalidating. I won't short, but yeah, it's gonna go down. Wait, 2 minutes. Okay, okay. Yeah, I should just wait for this bit. God, look at all these lines. Top of the fib, this VWAP here. What I say I'm targeting? So that was pretty clean there. 28. Yeah. Top of fib. Extra fib. Exposed bullish. Less steep. Well, steep. Cross. Displacement. Could be looking at a short. I won't lie. Yeah, we're switching teams. Just gonna wait for its break here. If it does, where are we? We're back to €2 on profit. Pretty much break even. We're close to a big move. Just want to be on the right side of it. What is this? Oh, it's just perfect for shorting here. Seems to really be trying to break. I just don't want it to reverse again. If this closes below this, damn, look at that. Short here, man. Do a short, do a short. Bang, short. Alright, but let's see. Tired off, pulled back. Fair enough, didn't reach as high. Didn't reach as low. Fake displacement. Dang. And your boy got in too early again. Let's go into 430. What did I say it was at? 35. I still don't think it's going for the high. Just hate how spread this is. It's impossible to see. And my charts are a mess here. Let me Madrid and 2-1-2 win. It's not the cleanest either, but jeez. Sorry, stochastic. Not really helping. Yeah, I think this is just a patient one. Wake me up at night. I might just join a Discord voice chat real quick and see what they're saying. They're all trading the same, so may as well. Let's see, how do I do that?